Can this truly be a billion-dollar idea?
That's broad. Motherfucker, they just drilled it down.
And I'm gonna give you a little alpha. So we started this year with my partner and co-founder, Josh.
They got us.
We have this cool dynamic where I'm based in South Africa, he's based in Israel, and the way we've set up this company is that the administrative team and the marketing and all of that's done here, and then all the dev work is done in Israel, right? He was here, he missed his flight, which is actually a blessing in disguise because the biggest challenge we faced is that we do not have a defined business direction. In the simplest way, what does anybody's do and what is the problem that it's solving? Is it scalable? Is it a global issue? Can this truly be a billion-dollar idea? So throughout the week, myself and Josh were just fighting.
Tachlis.
Customer engagement.
That's broad. Motherfucker, they just drilled it down. Can you drill it down?
But good fighting, that's how we break it down, is we have very opposing views in life and especially in business.
What I'm saying.
What do you want to do?
You want to create a loyalty program? Oh, here you go. Here's the loyalty program.
What
you want to
does it-
use it for tickets? You want to have it as a ticket?
To actually be able to pull something off like this, you need both sides of the pie. So over this whole week, we're just productively fighting.
Plug and play.
Customer engagement platform.
Yeah, that's great. It's a lot better than marketing.
Write it down.
I like that one.
And we got to a point of actually understanding what the hell are we going to build? Because the whole of last year, the idea was building this fashion company, becoming the next Off-White, but with tech in it. And what's interesting is, while we were building that out and all the collaborations we did, worked at Take Keep, worked at D-Gods, we've worked with all these cool companies, the penny dropped when we launched Toys R Us. It's simply not possible to scale this with the amount of time put in. So how can we reimagine NFTs as we know it and make it incredible? And that's what this week was about. We've finally gotten to a point where we have a defined business. We know exactly what we're going to be doing, the problem that we're solving, and I'm going to give you a little alpha. It's called cost of customer acquisition. Now that is how much money is a company spending on digital marketing, on all these different tools to get new customers. And it's at an all-time high because every Joe Schmo sitting in their mom's basement is watching dropshipping YouTube videos and spinning it up and spending money on ads. So that's just inflating it all, and everyone's fighting for the exact same attention. But what can NFTs do that is not possible in a normal business infrastructure? NFTs unlock three key components. Earnability, which is I get a reward and now I can sell it. So instead of me getting airline miles and only being able to use it with airlines, I can cash that out for cash. The second thing is utility. What is all the cool shit that you can do with NFT technology? As an example, with Take Keep, you go to a Starbucks, you get a notification on your phone saying, hey, you're at Starbucks. If you're wearing the Take Keep hoodie, tap the chip in there and we'll give you a free coffee just for wearing the hoodie. That's utility. And the third and most exciting is interoperability, meaning how can you work with every other brand? A really big one that just happened was Starbucks partnering with Delta Airlines to combine their loyalty programs together. Meaning, I can use my Starbucks rewards on the Delta airline, and Delta airline points I can use in a Starbucks. And what does that do is it just doubled both their consumer bases and gave both sides of the customers better use case for their points. And here's the crazy thing. The more brands that sign up onto our platform, the more rewards and use case and utility you can start giving. Another part of interoperability is vertical interoperability, meaning it connects to your entire tech stack. Your CRM, your ERP, all your social media. So imagine you're an artist, right? And you want to reward your listeners for being huge fans. How do I know which fan has listened to my whole album, watched all my YouTube videos? How do I differentiate that? You can't. But with anybody's platform, now you can, bro. That's what we just nailed this week.